Ay, video mo na. Tama. Video yun na lang.
Yes.
Ay, narinig ako. Uy, nandiyan yung Jollibee.
Ay, sorry. Ay, magpas tayo.
Nagpas tayo. Mo, parang baboy.
Wala pala dyan. Lumagpas pala tayo.
Parang
Oo,
baboy.
kaya lagpas pala tayo. Doon pala si Jollibee.
Parang baboy.
Come on, mommy. Say, come on, mommy. Say.
Come on, mommy. Ayaw ko rin.
Say na what you want. Here. Mm. What you gonna order? Jollibee? Chicken? What you gonna order? Pila ikaw, pila. Pila. Where's the pila? Here, oh. Here. Ay, sorry. Don't follow me. Pila there. Sabi ko pila ikaw. Sabi ko pila ikaw. Baka ikaw dyan, oh. Madulas ikaw, oh. Miss, wala kang signage, miss. Diba you should be putting your signage while doing that? Pag ikaw nadulas, ha? You like this? You like this? You like mango pie?
Then,
Ha?
Jollibee.
Get your pack money. Your money. Oh. What's your order? Chicken. What do you want daw? Oh. Ay, kulang yan, Ethan. What do you wanna order daw? Chicken joy. Sige. No ice, no ice. Tapos, peach mango pie. Leave it na.
Kain ako. Ayaw ang gusto mo.
Now get your change. Put it on your pocket. What did you say? What did you say? Huh? Thank you po. Put it back. Get Thai party chicken. Put it on your pocket.
That's what my God.
The big money. Where's the big money? Put it here. Put it here. Oh, get your food na. Get your food na. Sige na. Get your food na. Wait for the chicken. Wow! Where's our receipt? You gave us the receipt na, ma'am.
Carry this because it's so good.
Thank you. Kaya mo? Okay.
Hindi.
Kaya.
Kaya kasi matangin yung juice.
Yay! Pray na ikaw.
French fries. It's not French fries. What's this? Wow.
Ay, bakit yan nauna? Eat muna to. Kuha ako spoon, ha?
Here. It's lost.
No, it's there.
Where's here?
Ah, it's... I will find. Give me the bag.
You will.
Oh, wait lang. Hindi ka pa naghawak. Pray ka muna. Jesus.
For eating.
Thank you for...
For driving. Any bayad. This is lakad sa sahay. Akong dito yung agigari na. Kasi name, amen.
Very good. Pero wala yung ano mo. Asan yung alcohol mo?
Oh, wait na.
Hindi, isa pa. Kunas pa yung ano. Sige na. Okay na. Itan. Eat na.
Wow!
Sit down.
Push for drink home.
Itan, sausaw chicken. You like that? Favorite mo pala ang chicken? Gagawa pala ako ng chicken everyday. I'm gonna make chicken everyday. You want? I'm gonna make chicken everyday.
Uto the pego muna tapos ibaitin lang. Ito something.
We will make chicken everyday in the house. Oh, wala na. Nakalimutan na. Oh, subo. Ubus mo yan, ha? Ubus mo yan. Promise? Patikim nga ako kung yummy ba to. Patikim nga ako. Oh, rice. Rice, baby, rice. Dami pa laman yung mouth mo. Happy si Ethan? Magkano to, anak? Ethan, pambayad. Pambayad natin. Dalawa na, anak. 50 yung dalawa. Tama? Anong grade ka na? Bayad, bayad.
Ayun.
Bayad, yung pera mo dyan.
Ito yung mati. 25 po.
Ano grade ka na, anak?
Grade 3 po.
Ang ganda ng damit mo. Mahulog yung pera mo, ilagay mo lang sa bag.